Hi, this is Saskia from Paper and Journaling, and thanks for watching. And today I'm going to journal in my bullet journal again. And we visited, we is a friend of mine, and I visited Newcastle this week. So that's what I want to fill it in as well. And the first Monday we left on a Tuesday, but on Monday it was a busy day. You know, you have to do a lot of things, groceries, keep the house clean for my husband and son. I did do some small packing things, and that was a lot of things to do. And on Tuesday we went to Newcastle, and we went to England by boat at Newcastle upon Tyne, and we had an ordinary cabin, but on board we heard the news that there were some luxurious cabins available. So there was some glue. So we booked it over to a most luxurious hut, and afterwards I was very happy with that because I got very seasick on the first night. So then you always feel much sicker in a lousy cabin. This is a nice stamp of a boat, but that's, well, at that moment I wanted to use words which my mother never learned me. And the awful thing is that my mother would use them the same if that would happen to her. But okay, we had only one day in Newcastle, so we left on Tuesday. We were on Wednesday the whole day in Newcastle. We did a long walking tour through the city. And we sat down for some lovely coffee and cake and things like that. But there were a lot of stairs as well. So it was, and on board, of course, there are a lot of stairs as well. So we had at the end of the day, we had 13,000 steps. And we had 26 stairs done. And 26 stairs up and 28 stairs down done. My friend had an app on her telephone, or I don't know how that works, but so she could figure it out. So that's not steps but stairs. So there was 26 stairs up. That's quite a building if you have to do that at once. But we didn't have to do that at once, just in parts. But at the end of the day, I felt my knees. That was, you can imagine that. And on a Thursday, we came home again. After this trip, the second day, the sea was much more quiet, so that was better, and I slept perfectly on board. And it was funny. There was a lady on board, and she were afterwards. I looked at her, and I thought, really, my goodness, is she standing in her bare butt on board? I could see that she was wearing shoes, and I could see that she was wearing a sweater, but I couldn't see at the back anything else. And later on, when I looked very carefully, she was wearing a soft salmon jeans. But it looked really weird, and I was really looking at her, and I was looking at her back. So, and it was really fitted around her body. So, but there was another lady who looked exactly the same to that. She was really looking. Is she wearing anything? But okay. So if you ever wear a salmon jeans, look at it behind as well if you're not looking naked. Well, and the rest of the week I did some shoppings again, and I did on Sunday. We didn't do anything. It was lovely weather, so it was a good day to relax, to read a book, and to do nothing. And if you liked it, please give a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.